Hey guys, Jeremy here, and today we're checking out this floor vent sent to me by Green Vent. Now, this is a 4x10 modern looking gray register vent that does come in different colors. I want to show you how to measure these so that you pick out the right size, and then you're just going to pick out the right color for your decor. So when we look at this on the bottom side, when we talk about 4 inches by 10 inches, we're talking about the inside measurements. And you can see here that we are 3 3/4 wide. And then for the length, we're sitting at just under 10 inches. So the hole in your floor where your register typically sits needs to be 4 inches by 10 inches, okay? That way, this can just sit right in the hole. Now, this does have a diffuser on it, and right here with this little lever, you're going to be able to open and close that, controlling the airflow. So the next thing that we want to do is head over to our floor vent and measure that hole and make sure that this is going to fit in there. The thing that we have with our register vents are 4x10, 2x10, 2x12. So you want to make sure that you are measuring them accurately so that you pick the right size and get the right fit. So let's head over the floor and see what we got. Okay, so one thing that you're going to notice here is that my floor vent is a metal floor vent, and I also do have a dust cover hair catcher over the top of it, which is really nice. Now, this is a metal floor vent, and the one that we're going to replace it with is an aluminum one. So because it's aluminum, it is not going to be able to hold a magnetic dust cover. But that's okay, because we still do have that airflow control down here at the bottom that's going to catch a lot of that stuff that may go down into the ductwork. So when we are measuring, as I said, we want to make sure that we get the right measurements. And my hole here is 4 1/4 by 10 1/4. 4 1/4 by 10 1/4. And if you'll remember, this was just under 4 and this was just under 10. So it should drop in there like a glove, and we don't have to worry about anything. Now, if you do have small kids who like to pick at this stuff, or maybe if you have dogs or cats who like to play with these vents, or if you don't want this sliding around, you may want to take it a step further and put just a couple of holes in there and a couple of screws and keep that into place secure. It's not really necessary because the weight of your vent is going to hold that just fine, and you're not really going to have to worry about that. But that is one extra step that you could take. So if you're looking for a new nice set of register vents to match your home decor, make sure that you get the right size, make sure that you get the right color. Go ahead and click that buy now button, and you're going to be pretty happy with them.